Hey folks, it's Saf from Backstage Audio, and in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing, or rather unboxing, the iRig Stream. And this, in case you don't know what this iRig Stream is perfect for streaming live on TikTok, Twitch, and other platforms. So let's go and unbox this bad boy. Here we have it. It's the iRig Stream streaming audio interface, and it's made for the iPhone, iPad, iPod. Works with Android, Mac, and PC. Let's take a look at the side. At the side, we have iRig Stream, streaming audio interface, stereo line over RCA connectors, mic input to talk over your stream, mono only switch for apps like Instagram, high quality 24-bit 48 kilohertz sound, low latency Windows driver, and of course, interesting indeed are the contents. It's a streaming audio interface, which is the star of the show, the iRig Stream device. It also comes with three, if you look here. So it is a Lightning. It comes with a Lightning to mini DIN connection cable, USB to mini DIN connection cable, and USB-C to mini DIN connection cable. If this does not make any sense, I will show you what those cables look like. So this one is a USB-C to mini DIN, which would be your phone, maybe your iPhone 14, which has USB. No, sorry, it would be your iPhone 15 onwards has a USB-C connection. Your iPhone 14 would be using a Lightning to mini DIN connection cable. Okay, and of course, a USB to mini DIN connection cable, this would be a USB-A. But we'll take a look, don't be confused. All right, so having read through all those things, I'm not sure if I covered this, yeah, I guess I did. Maybe I didn't. So it connects the audio source you want to stream, add your voice with mic, monitor with headphones, record or stream live with all your favorite apps, including Twitch and TikTok. It says perfect for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. All right, so let's look at the interesting part, which is the unboxing. That was all fun and games, but let's check out what the product actually looks like. So that's one box out, packaging out. It's a nice white box. And let's open this thing up. Okay. All right, I'm not going to read any of this. It's probably a warranty. Okay, so that's the star of the show. Let me just zoom into it. Yeah, so you can see it. So that's the star of the show. Let me take it out. And it says iRig Stream, signal, low, okay, high. So these LEDs will light up based on what signal is receiving. And it has a nice feel to it. It has like a silicone type of feel. Okay, that's a level. Max level, minimum. And it has RCA, one's left, right RCA connections, as you can see here. On the side, we have a DC in to power it. It also has a loop back, which is on off, and a mono on off. That's on one side of it. Okay. On the other side, you have a mic, volume for the mic, headset phones, connect your phones, and then of course the volume for your headset, your phones. And over here we have a DIN connection. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect to your mini DIN connection to your phone, and this will go into your RCA connections into your mixer. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let me just give you a nice 360-degree view of this device. This is the front. Of course, the back, there's absolutely nothing. That's that. Let's check out this box on the left. So that's one, number two, and number three. Okay, so there are three types of cables. Let's see what this one is. So this one is a USB-A connection to mini DIN Okay, I'm going to keep that away. And this one is a lightning port connection. So that'll be for your iPhone. Lightning port for the older iPhones up to iPhone 14 to mini DIN. And then finally the third cable is USB-C to mini DIN. So that's it. Those are the three cables that it comes with. And of course, that's the star of the show. Absolutely nothing underneath. And feels nice and it's light. So that's, yeah, just really easy to carry. Has a silicone feel. The level indicators, yeah, it feels good to the touch. Nice and sturdy. It's a well-built product, I would say. Yeah, looks pretty good. I mean, of course, you know, only time will tell how long this thing is going to last. But what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also review this product maybe in a year from now, or maybe in 6 months, tell you exactly what I think of this product, whether it lasted, it stood the test of time or not. That's it. The iRig Stream. I hope you found the video useful. In case you're interested in the iRig Stream, make sure you check it out. Check out some in-depth reviews online and just make sure if it's right for you. Until next time, you take care and make sure you subscribe to the channel, Backstage Audio. I'm also on TikTok, Backstage_audio. Bye for now.